Mastering the Art of Inquiry Letters, a step-by-step guide. Hello, language learners. Today we are diving into the realm of professional English writing skills. We'll be focusing on inquiry letters for service information. Inquiry letters are crucial in professional communication, especially when you need more details about a service. So, let's learn how to write one effectively. An inquiry letter for service information is a professional letter written to ask for more details about a specific service. This could be a service offered by a company, an individual, or even a government agency. It's a tool to get the necessary information before making decisions, like signing up for a service. A well-structured inquiry letter is key to effective communication. Here's a general structure that you can follow. 1. Salutation. Address the recipient properly. If you know their name, use it. If not, a simple, "Dear Sir, Madam," will do. 2. Introduction. Here, you introduce yourself and the purpose of your letter. 3. Body. This is where you describe what information you need. Be as specific and concise as possible. 4. Closing. Finally, thank the recipient for their time and express hope for their response. 5. Sign off. End with your name and contact information. Now, let's write a sample letter. Suppose we're interested in a digital marketing service and want to know more about it. Here's how we could write our inquiry letter. Dear Sir, Madam, I am John Doe, the marketing manager of XYZ Company. We are currently exploring digital marketing services to expand our online presence, and your company came highly recommended. We would greatly appreciate more information about your digital marketing services. Specifically, we're interested in knowing the range of services you offer, their respective costs, and the expected timeline for seeing results. Thank you for taking the time to address our queries. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Best regards, John Doe, john.doe@xyz.com. Remember, the effectiveness of your inquiry letter is based on how clear and concise your request is. Here are a few tips. 1. Be polite. Remember to be courteous throughout your letter. 2. Be specific. Clearly mention what information you're seeking. 3. Keep it short. Respect the recipient's time and keep your letter brief. And there you have it. You now know what an inquiry letter for service information is, its structure, how to write one, and some tips to make it effective. Practice writing your own inquiry letters to gain more confidence in your English professional writing skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.